For sure, we all get giddy with anticipation as we set off on our camping adventures. A new place to explore, new things to see and discover, who knows what awaits us out of the woods. Well, except for the fact that you'd have to set up and install everything when you reach your campsite. Yeah, I agree, I think that's a bummer. But Mars campers step up their game in creating campers. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be looking at the insane new SpaceX Air Camper trailer. So stay tuned until the end of this video as we take a closer look at the features this new X Air Camper offers. Camper trailers are slowly but steadily becoming a realistic alternative for individuals searching for a small, clever, and reasonably priced camper. These trailers, in addition to being less expensive than full-fledged campers and caravans, may be hauled by smaller, less powerful vehicles, removing the requirement for a large V8 truck to transport your camper. Furthermore, as more firms engage in research and development, better items are released on a regular basis. The Mars SpaceX Air is a hard-wearing off-road camper designed in Australia that inflates to become a pleasant, well-equipped base camp. Mars campers located in Victoria wanted to build an inflatable version of its SpaceX dual-fold camper trailer even more practical than the usual inflatable. Not just the inflating process, but as much of the setup as feasible has to be automated. Mars takes completely automated camping a step further by including fold-out lids, inflated frame tubes, and folding stabilizer legs, all of which are controlled by a separate setup panel. The Space Air X provides interior and outdoor entertainment, a double-sized outdoor kitchen, lodging for a family of 6, and a big al fresco lounge for up to 8 people at camp. The off-road beast can accommodate 4 adults and 2 children. It measures 5,900mm long by 2,340mm wide and 1,560mm high. The tent construction on top of the trailer spans 6,000mm by 2,100mm and is made from heavy-duty 16 ounces waterproofed close-weave canvas with double stitching and reinforced stress points. During the day, the wrap-around sofa can seat up to 8 people and the roll-up tent canvas makes for a breezy indoor or outdoor style lounge. All of this is controlled by a dedicated, clearly labeled control panel that allows users to open and close the front and rear lids, fold down the 4 stabilizer legs, and inflate both the camper tent and the awning by pressing buttons and flipping switches. You know, the SpaceX Air is the first auto-opening, auto-stabilizing, and auto-inflating dual-fold camper in Australia, and it employs a low-noise pressure system to keep the tent comfortably inflated at camp. The SpaceX Air is easier to set up than the hard-pulled SpaceX and other inflatable campers such as the off-road Opus Air, which needs users to physically fold out the lids and set up stabilizer legs. Although SpaceX Air campers will still have to manually flip a few latches, swing the rear tire carrier out of the way, and set up some support hardware, the nearly fully automated process should save a few minutes, which will be especially useful during those camp arrivals when the sun has already set or is close to setting. Enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell. You may also leave a comment to suggest what videos we should make in the future. Now, the SpaceX camper may appear a little sparse at first glance. However, that is not the case. You won't get the same amount of space or amenities as you would in a full-fledged camper, but you will get a 24-inch LED TV and a waterproof music system. A touchscreen-equipped DVD player is also available and a dual 100 amp-hours batteries that provide power with the help from a 1000 watts inverter and a 30 ampere charger. A 200 watt solar panel is also available as an option. Indoor and outdoor control panels and switches provide convenient control of equipment like lights, water pump, and speakers, along with system monitoring. All of the essential culinary appliances are hidden behind an inflatable canopy in a slide-out kitchen. Food and drinks may be stored in the built-in fridge and freezer, and meals can be enjoyed on the inflatable sofas. While there is a 20-liter minibar fridge in the SpaceX Air's cabin to keep cold drinks close at hand, the major cold storage, meal preparation, and cooking takes place outdoors. The primary fridge or freezer is housed in a fridge slide to the left of the doorway, while a slide-out pantry adjacent to it provides food storage. With a full-width fold-away workstation behind the domestic SMEV 3-burner stove and sink, the main slide-out kitchen area serves as a prep room. As you can see, more workspace is available near the stove and on the retractable end workbench, where a bendable LED light purchased to make night cooking easier. The SpaceX Air does not include an indoor bathroom, but packs a standard portable toilet, carrying dual 100-liter water tanks, and buyers can add in an optional water heater. Mars's 5.9-meter trailer features a hot-dipped galvanized frame, independent suspension with twin gas shocks per wheel, baked enamel paint finish, checker plate up front, and a set of 265/75 R16 MT tires on the ground with a full-size spare on the carrier. The tare weight is 1,950 kilograms, which leaves 650 kilograms of payload to fill the rear toolboxes, undercouch storage compartments, dual 20-liter jerry can holders, dual 9-kilogram gas tank holders, and a variety of additional storage spaces. The camper trailer is based on a large two-wheel rugged trailer. The inflatable frame tubes forming the upper section of the living area are controlled by buttons built into a dedicated control panel. There are folding stabilizer legs ensuring the trailer will remain stable during storms. As for its off-road specs, the SpaceX Air has 6-stud 15-inch tires, plus a spare and independent suspension that Mars Camper says is proven to tackle Australia's toughest terrain. Truly, the new SpaceX Air Camper trailer is insane. With a starting price at 39,990 Australian dollars or approximately 29,800 US dollars, you may now enjoy the great outdoors with a comfort that is beyond measure. Get off the beaten track and discover places that very few may have seen before with the new SpaceX Air Camper trailer, and share with us your experiences and your thoughts about this camper in the comment section down below. If you've enjoyed this video, please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell so we'll get you updated with the latest and coolest trends in just one click. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you again real soon. Bye!